scrolling through dozens of websites, juggling between tabs, emailing professors, taking notes, and keeping up with application deadlines. Finding the right scholarship is a needle in a haystack. But today I'm showing you a one-stop shop. This website has all the types of scholarships. It is called globalscholarships.com. This website has gigantic database with multiple ways to navigate to fit your choice of study. You can choose based on the country of your choice, your degree, your field of study, and even the scholarship type. And the best part is they have made it super simple, and I have been in contact with the founder of this website, and he is always looking for improving the experience for the students. Now let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use this website and get the most out of it. Let's get started. All right, this is the main page, and the starting point would be this bar where it says start your research. So basically you can write anything what you're looking for in that bar. It could be the country, it could be the field, your degree program, any specific university that you want information from. So let's go ahead and look at some answers. So let's say I want to work on water management. There we go. I got a scholarship that's currently open, a Rotary scholarship for water management. And here you get a new web page with all the details for that scholarship. Their database has more than 4,000 scholarships from around the world, including more than 2,000 organizations and universities who are offering those scholarships. So the benefit can be skyrocketing. Now let me show you how they have categorized this and made it so easy for a student to navigate and understand about scholarships. So first thing is the courses. You can search by a degree. So if you're looking for undergrad, just click on the undergrad courses. If you're looking for degree programs, including the master's or MBA, that's where you go. You just click these options. Then you have it by subject. So most people I know nowadays are going for computer science or AI. Let's do a quick example, data science. So I found a course which is offered in Germany, and it's master's in data analytics. If I click on the link, it will go to the university's website, and then you can have the full information. Then comes courses by countries. I'm going to give a quick example, and I will say, let's select the UK. So we have here a list of all the programs, all the courses that are offered in the UK from various universities. The second tab, which I'm sure you all would be very interested in, it's the scholarships. This is what I like here. This website has categorized this information. So you can search scholarship by the degree program, by the type of scholarship, fully funded or partially funded. Then you can also go for some university scholarships and so on. So let's do some quick examples. I am a Fulbright scholar, so I'm going to go ahead and look at this option, which is popular government scholarship. So let's click on the Fulbright, and you get this wholesome information on all the Fulbright programs. There are different programs under the umbrella of Fulbright scholarship. So you get all of that information here with the eligibility criteria and the whole application process. And here you can see that I have been featured on this website where I've talked about my own experience having the Fulbright scholarship. Now, if you want to go and select scholarship based on any particular country, and you want to see and filter out those scholarships that are currently open, because those are the ones most useful for you. So here is the option of currently open scholarships. I'm just going to click view all to show you all those that are available. And this is what I wanted to work on. So this website has found 4,500 scholarships for me. Now that I have all this information, I can use this filter option on the left side to extract the ones that are of my interest. So if I just want for a master's program, and let's say I want to have Germany, I definitely want a full funding, and there you go. It is showing that scholarship, which is a scholarship offered by the government of Germany. I also have a video on that if you want to check it out, the details. But I'm truly impressed to see how they have shown all the information of all the major scholarships as well as the university scholarships. For example, Harvard University scholarship. There we go. There are the details, the aid information, and so important when you're starting to prepare your scholarship application or just university application in general, you need a lot of content. You need to have essays ready and letter of references ready and the application itself ready. Resources and guide. The next three tabs, resources, guides, and tests and documents. These three tabs are going to help you work around your application. Now, in the resources section, you can see that you will be able to find type of scholarship criteria. For example, which university got how much acceptance rate, and which country has how much. It helps to understand how you can enhance your application and strengthen it in order to get to the acceptance level. This is information of the people who applied and information about their SAT results, their GPA, and whether they got accepted or rejected, and if we want to see their full profile. Then we have guides. Let's say if you want to go for a master's program in Europe, the first thing that comes is the language. But if I just want to go and see further information, for example, how to apply to the university, how to find an English program in Europe, how to get the student visa for the USA, all this information is in this tab. So the idea is to keep playing around and explore this website. You don't have to have 17 tabs open. Then comes the tests and documents. The most common and popular is the English proficiency test. So if I click on TOEFL, I will get to understand what TOEFL is, what is the expectation from this exam and how it's done, how to register, where to register. The link is already mentioned, and we also have some tips on how to actually work on preparing for the TOEFL exam. They're also having information packed in each article, and I have been in touch with the founder of this website, and this is what he has to say.
Hello, this is Hyung from Global Scholarships, and it's an honor to be featured in Hadika's videos. I started Global Scholarships in 2017 as a scholarship database for international students. Based on my personal experiences of getting a scholarship for my bachelor's and PhD degrees. I'm sure that Hadika will go through our site later, but we have many great resources such as our scholarship database, admissions profile, and scholarship recipient stories. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on any of our articles and we'll answer them.
So the idea is to make it easy for you to navigate your study abroad opportunities. This was all from this video. If you have any questions, you can comment here or you can email me and let me know if there is a specific topic which you're looking for and you want me to make a video about. Until my next one, bye.